In this question, an element vector delta L equal to delta xi cap is placed at the origin and carries large current I equal to 10 ampere. What is the magnetic field on the y-axis of 0.5 meter and delta x equal to 1 centimeter? What is given to you? That this is delta L along x-axis and it carries current of 10 ampere, and P is the point on the y-axis at a distance of 0.5 meter from DL. Then what will be the magnetic field at the point P, and what will be the direction of magnetic field? In this question, what is given to us? DL equal to delta x equal to 1 centimeter, that is 1 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter, and R equal to 0.5 meter, and theta, that is angle between DL and R, angle between this is DL and this is R, is 90 degree. Remember this delta, this is DL also, and this is R, right? I, which is passing through DL, is 10 ampere. Now, according to Barth-Savitt's law, dB equal to mu naught upon 4 pi I dl sin theta upon R square. Substitute the value. 10 to the power minus 7 I 10 ampere dl 10 to the power minus 2 sin 90 1, and this is R 0.5 square, and this is equal to 4 into 10 to the power minus 8 Tesla. This is the value of magnetic field at the point P due to this current element, which is carrying current how much? 10 ampere, and length is 1 centimeter. Now we are going to discuss what is the direction of magnetic field. Right. Now here current is flowing in this direction. This is the direction of the current. Now current is flowing in this direction, and we have to find out the magnetic field at the point P. Then use the right hand palm rule. Thumb in the direction of the current, fingers are pointing where you have to find the magnetic field. This palm will give the direction of the magnetic field. This will be outward direction. Outward direction. Magnetic field will be outward direction. Second thing, hold the wire with your right hand in a such a way that thumb is pointing towards the current. Then the curved finger will show the direction of magnetic field. Like this. Magnetic field will come out to the plane. Right? Mathematically we can show that what will be the direction of magnetic field at the point P. We know that the dB, vector dB, will be perpendicular to the plane, that is plane of DL and R, right? that is dl cross r equal to dl is along delta x along x-axis and r along y-axis, that is y j cap, and this is delta x y I cross j cap, and this will be delta x y into k cap. That is, direction of dB will be along k cap, that is along z direction. ठीक है, थैंक यू.